Moving on now to an exclusive, Adani Group's Navi Mumbai airport will start commercial operations next week. That's on the 25th of December. In an exclusive conversation with Shereen, Bhan, Adani Airport's director Jeet Adani talks about the airport business expansion plans, the opportunities the company sees ahead. Listen in.
6 airports through the privatization route. If the government were to put more airports up for privatization, do you still have the appetite to take on more?
Absolutely, yes. I mean, if you see the airports that have been sort of identified for the next round, there's a lot of them which have a lot of potential. And that's why we think we would be quite aggressive in the next round as well.
Which ones are most suitable for you?
I'm not going to say that on live TV.
Come on, which ones have you identified as key assets that you would like to go after?
So as of now, I would say all 11.
All 11?
Yeah, absolutely.
So that's the kind of appetite that you have.
Absolutely.
Do you have a war chest that you're going to put to work as and when that process
So I don't think we'll need a large amount of capital upfront. What is going to be quite helpful is the amount of work we have done on the existing platform. So in terms of people, process, technology, is something that we don't need to reinvest now. So we can simply extend it now to whatever new airports that we add. We've been training our second line of people quite well to be able to extend into new airports that come in. So we don't need to go out and buy talent. We have actually grown that talent in-house. The technology that we are using to run an airport like Navi Mumbai is something that we can extend immediately on day one. And the processes was also something that we've, again, part of it adopted from outside, part of it grown in-house, and then sort of engineered it over time to be as good as it is today. Of course, it's never perfect. But that's something that will also extend to new airports. So I don't think capital is the problem. I think it's more the opportunity.
As and when the opportunity does arise, you're in the market for all 11 is what you're pointing at. You've crossed 90 million now as far as the Mumbai airport is concerned. Even if
as the platform,
even if I look at the year-on-year growth that you've seen as far as revenue from operations is concerned, there has been an uptick there as well as on EBITDA. What's the plan now in terms of expansion? It's rumored that you're putting together a $15 billion expansion plan for the airport business.
Yeah. So, I mean, the $1 billion number keeps changing, but, at least
with the currency.
Yeah. So, I'll say it in crores is, so our 5-year plan is a 1 lakh crore investment plan, which includes expansion in capacity of Navi Mumbai, refurbishment, major refurbishment in Mumbai, expansion in Ahmedabad, especially timely with the Commonwealth coming there. Expansion in Jaipur, in Lucknow. We're inaugurating Guwahati, so that's at the tail end now. And expansion at Trivandrum. So pretty much all of the assets, barring Mangaluru, is in expansion mode.
By 2030?
By 2030, yeah.
Okay.
And, from a financials point of view, we see that there's going to be 2 major sort of cycles. One is happening as we speak, where we'll see another jump over the next year. Then we'll see gradual growth.
Jump in passengers or jump in revenue?
Numbers, in revenue, in both.
Okay.
Because of Navi Mumbai coming in, you'll see a big jump. And there'll be gradual growth at, taking 10-15% growth every year. And then you'll see a big jump in 29. 29 will be an even bigger jump because there are a couple of things happening simultaneously. You will see large assets like Ahmedabad, Jaipur, Lucknow come online. And passenger numbers will grow quite a bit. And also that is the time where most of our city side development also comes online.
Okay.
So while the pre-leasing will be done, but the revenue numbers will start ticking in 29-30. And that will represent a massive 30 to 40% jump over the year before that. So that's how broadly over the next 5 years, the investments that we are making today are going to yield return.